Hello everyone, this is Tejal from Sunmodule Software, and after configurations of company level HR configuration, today we will configure employee level configuration. So let's start. Just click on HR module and select employee submodule. Just edit the one employee. Select the title. Then select the date of joining. Then select employee type. It's full-time, part-time or any other. I'm just selecting full-time. Any image is there, then just upload it over here. Select the pay type. I'm just selecting salary. If your employee is salary, then you have to add office clockings for this employee. If your employee is the wages one, then you have to add time card against this employee. Okay, so as of now I am selecting salary for this employee. Any date of exit is there, then add manager. If any manager is there, then add it. Appraisal cycle, just select it. Fill some other details which you want to add. Then status set as active. Select the date of birth. I'm just selecting random. Then select the gender. Mobile number and address will be available after you add in the users, and just click on save only. Your data will be saved and page will be reloaded on the save only, and this tab will be available over here. You have to just click on the costing to create the costing against that employee. Just click on add button. Select the cost center. Then select the department. If you want to add new one, then just use this add option to add new one. Just select the designation. Enter the annual salary. Then enter the monthly basic over here. This regular pay, double pay and overtime, if is any there, then just add it. Mostly we will use this for the wages employee. Then just select the start date and set active as yes and click on save button. Your costing will be added against that employee. Salary component will be available automatically as you have configured for your company. Just click on leave configurations. It will also available over here. Any loan is there, then just add it. Any other details of permit, bank, shift, concession, any other education history, employee history, leaves history, training history, awards will be available in this tab. You can also add insurance history from the insurance tab and pension history from the pension tab. Just click on back button. Your entry will be created on the index page, and you can easily view, edit, delete it from this index page, and you can create your offer letter and print your offer letter from this index page. You can quick filter your results through this filter, and you can quick refresh that search result through this refresh button. If you get any query to add your employee configuration, then please connect us at contact us at @sunmolesoftware.com. See you in the next video.